Using the Ria Money Transfer app for the first time, here's how to get started quickly and safely. Start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open it and tap register. Enter your name, email, phone number, and create a password. You might also need to provide your ID for verification. This step helps keep your account secure. Next, enable Face ID or fingerprint login if your phone supports it. This adds an extra layer of protection. To send money, tap send, choose the country, and enter the amount. You can decide whether you want to set the send amount or the amount your recipient should receive. Then choose your delivery method. Options include bank deposit, cash pickup, a mobile wallet, or even home delivery, depending on the country. Add your payment method, credit card, debit card, bank account, or even cash at every location. Now enter the recipient's full name, phone number, and city. If you're doing a bank transfer, include their account details at two. Double check everything, the amount, fees, and delivery details. Once it looks good, confirm the transfer. You'll get a tracking number, and you can monitor the transfer inside the app. Ria also lets you share the details with your recipient through text, email, or WhatsApp. And if your first transfer, you might qualify for $0 fees. Check the app for any promo codes. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more quick guides like this, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.